Welcome. Today, we are going to explore a new hidden, that's right, a new hidden revenue stream. Okay, I'm going to walk you through every single step that you should do and that I probably will do as well to make new income in the foreseeable future here. And it's actually very easier than you think. First step, I'm going to show you how to do this on my current book that I have on Amazon right now. Then we're going to find other people that we can do it for. All right, cool. So I'm going to go in here and I've already opened up my book that I already have here called Power Hour Plan with God. This is a journal that I have that goes through weekly planning, days of the week, top three priorities, the whole good jazz about you being you being more productive, right? And if you stay till the end of this video, I will show you exactly how you can do this step by step for other people and get paid for it. By the way, if you don't know, my name is Diakri, and I'm one of the AI consultants here. And basically, I want you to stop worrying about AI taking over your job, and in fact, get ahead of the game and start making money with AI. Now, with your permission, I really, really want you to stop being scared of AI and actually start using it. And this is how we're going to do it. Very quick, very simple steps. So, as I was saying, my Power Hour Plan with God plan, it's a weekly planner. And we have, three sections. Section one is all about your daily Bible verses, your reflection, your daily prayer, self care, all that good jazz. And then section two, we have a schedule, three main objectives, three people to reach out to, right? So you can again, if you want to get this book, Power Hour by the Actor by Shima, you can find it on Amazon. But that's not the whole point of this. The whole point of this is we're going to turn this into an app, into an actual web app. Live. We're doing this live, guys. All right. So all we have to do is grab the link, go to ChatGPT, and say, tell me about this book. Right? And all we have to do is just put the link in there. And ChatGPT is so smart, it can actually read the web now. It can actually read the web and it can actually understand what's on the web. And here you can see it's telling me, okay, this is the Power Hour Plan we got, deactivated by Shima. It actually grabbed the whole title and everything, right? Uh, and what we can see is that what's included, what's inside, Bible verses, who it's for, benefits, where to find it, should I get it, all that good jazz. Okay. And then I'm going to say, our interest here today is these sections, right? These three sections. Right? That's what we want. Section one and section two, and maybe yeah, those two sections. We just want to figure out those two sections. And we're going to take those two sections and we are going to basically uh, turn that into an app. So let's go here and let's say, what are the main features? What are the features of that planner, right? And ChatGPT is going to go in there and it's going to tell me exactly what's on this page, which is days of the week, top priorities, weekly goals, habit tracker, and notes. Right? And then it's also going to go into the sections here. And let's see what it comes up with. 90-day undated format, daily planner pages, spiritual verses, integration, goal habit tracking, inspirational coaching elements, uh, coaching style, right? Holistic self-care, boom, right? That's basically what we want. Okay, now we're gonna say write a PRD. Now, a PRD is a product requirement document. This is what people use when they are creating applications. So a PRD that has all those features for that planner. Do not miss any feature or make up new ones. All right. So it's going to go ahead and write me a product requirement document, which I can then send to my developer if I had a developer. But guess what? Today, AI is my developer. All right. And if you're here and you're wondering, okay, I really want to do this, but I want to learn more, my link is in the description. You can just book a meeting with me. It's actually free. And we can go from there. And I can actually show you how you can do this for any book, any product, any website, or anything you want to make up, basically. Right. And that's basically what we're going to do here. Let's see here. So here's the product requirement. Uh, right. Target users, key features. There we go. So we have the key features. Here we go. Like everything is there. Everything is there. Right? Now turn the PRD into a lovable prompt. I want to make a web/mobile app, right? That follows the exact layout of the planner, right? So in that, it's going to ask one question at a time, and then when the user is done filling out their questions every day, right, they will be able to see the weekly plan and monthly plan, right? Do not add any other random features that are not required at this time. All right, so we're telling this guy, you know what, the document was good and all, but we want to make this into a web app. So we're going to build a web and mobile app version of Power Hour, and the app should have the exact structure and content as the original 90-day undated physical plan. Right? Core of core function of the app, daily flow, right? Here we go. Each day, present the following Bible verse reflection. Oh, this is gonna be really good. This is gonna be really good. All right, each question, a soft background, minimal distractions. Minimal distractions. Like this is gonna be good. All right. So we have the prompt. We have the prompt, and now uh do not add gamification, community features, AI summary, push notification. Don't do any of that. I just want it to be simple at first. Right? And let's do this. Let's do this output execution. Boom. All right. Perfect. So let's copy this, and then we're going to go into Lovable, and we're going to copy this. And Lovable now has agents attached to it, right? They have agents, which can basically means these are tiny other robots that will go and plan, test, and execute and make sure your app is basically error, not error free, but 90%, 90% error free. So you can read more about it here. Agent beta it's in beta mode, right? And these guys can basically think, plan, and take actions. That's what it can do right now, right? It reduces the error rate by 90%, cuts down on unwanted changes, makes Lovable better, helping you reach your goals. Perfect. That's awesome. Because before, it used to make so many mistakes. I almost gave up using Lovable. I almost did. Like it was getting this close. But now that they have agents, I'm like, okay, let me try it again and let's see how we can do that. So how can you make money with this? You might be asking, how can you make money with this? It's actually very simple. So, for example, let's go down here. Let's see. All right, so they didn't really put in any other recommendations here, but what I would do is I will go into Amazon and I will go under uh, the search bar and I will put daily planner. And inside this daily planner, you can see this thing has sold over 1900 times for $14. And the Blue Sky store is selling a whole bunch of these things and they are crushing it. So what I would do, I will go under professional planners, right? And then what I would do is I would just pick one. Just pick one. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. Under the professional planner, let's say I'm gonna pick um say something that's like yeah, let's go with this guy. Right? This is just an example. So in here, daily planner, I bought this item, you stay organized, monthly layout, weekly layout, yearly layout, built to last, right? That's good and all. But guess what? We can probably turn this into an app. You can turn this into an app. So we have the layout, which you get, right? The weekly, monthly layout. And this is so cool, actually, in that you can actually see what it's supposed to look like. This is just a simple calendar, right? And you can see there's a section for notes, holidays, all that good jazz. And then what I would do is I would make the planner, turn it into something like, okay, what happened here? How come it's not working? All right, let's see this. Let's refresh here. Oh, what happened, Lovable? What happened? Yeah. So let's try that one more time. Let's see here. Uh, okay, it looks like it froze on me there. So let's do this one more time. Paste it, run it, and boom. All right, this time it's gonna work. It's a little bit finicky, but it looks like maybe it's because I had hit that button here and then it had gotten distracted. But it's thinking now. It's thinking, it's strategizing, and it's coming up with a beautiful spiritual daily planner app. Follows the exact structure, and boom. So we just have to wait a few seconds there. So back on Amazon, you can see here, these are good, right? And what I would do, actually, this is actually really good. I'll go on business planners. Business planners because these guys make sense. This one, for example. Oh, this one, updated for entrepreneurs. So let's see what we get. We get full week planner pages from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. Priorities, to-dos. Oh, this is going to be so good. So then what you can do is you build this thing, right? And of course, people don't like paper anymore. I mean, some people don't. I mean, I don't. I barely touch paper anymore, except for my little book, right? Um, so you build this, and then you go to iFocus store and say, "Hey, I built you the app. Why don't you sell the app with the book?" Right? This could be a $5 subscription monthly. I don't know. I don't care how you want to do that. But I think that would be a really cool addition if they had like a little pamphlet inside this iFocus planner that says, hey, by the way, if you're tired of paper, boom, check out the app. Oh, man, that's actually a really good idea. So then you get to partner with these people who already have 900 reviews. Think that this book is probably getting bought over and over and over. Look, the last time they updated it was 2020. It's been 5 years. This thing is probably selling a lot, a lot, a lot. So that's what I would do. That's the new hidden revenue money maker right now. So if we go back to my new power hour, it looks like it's working on it. So I'm gonna close this windows here. It's working on it. It's still thinking about it. And it's gonna take a few more minutes, but once it's done, we're gonna find out what it's gonna look like. And honestly, I'm probably gonna be using this every single day because I've been wanting to do this for so long. It's been it's been hurting me a lot. So instead of scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Instagram, scrolling on YouTube, I can just turn over and be like, okay, let me do my plan right now. Boom. And I can start working on my to-do list. I can start making sure that everything's going according to plan. Doing a checklist, checking off the list. The sky's the limit, guys. The sky is the limit. Again, if you need help or you just want to chit chat and figure out, hey, how can I do this for something else, right? Maybe you have a different idea of a planner or a journal or, oh, dude, I wasn't gonna do this. I was not gonna do this, but if you do this, you're probably gonna make a lot of money. I'm gonna give you this idea. Oh, boom. ADHD planner. This will probably be a really, really good app. Actually, I'm probably gonna make this. Forget you guys. I'm gonna make this myself, and then I'm gonna sell it. ADHD planner. All right, what do we have included here? What do we have included here in the ADHD planner? Again, we know a lot of people have ADHD. It's really hard for them to focus, but guess what? Guess what? This app would probably help them a lot. So what we have, this person was really lazy that they didn't even put all the features you get in here. Okay, so you get the daily planner, you get daily schedule, priorities, something else, brain dump. That's cool. Let's see here. Get things done, colorful design. Okay, colors. There we go. Wire bound, premium paper. All right. Mindset, priorities, reflections. This is actually probably really cool. It's probably been done already, but guess what? They didn't sell the app to the templatable store. 90-day fitness planner for women. Look at this, guys. I could probably go send them an email right now and be like, hey, guys, I just created your ADHD planner. I would like to create the rest of these planners, turn them into little apps, and you sell them, and I get royalties. I'll do it for free. I don't care. I'll do it for free. Right? So that's what we got. That's what we got there. Right? Um, check this out. Check all. Oh my goodness! Look at this. I'll take 20%. I'll take 20%. All right. I'll take 20% of. Okay. Let's see. Let's see the app. Let's see the app. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Friday, July 11th. Look at that. Oh, this is so good. Power hour. Begin the journey. All right. So let's click begin. Dude, look. Look at this. Look at this. Power hour dashboard. Start day one. Next day. Monthly, weekly. This is so good. This is so good. I'm gonna put a domain on this. I am gonna put a domain on this. Forget you guys. All right, that's my time, y'all. That is my time. I'm gonna go fix some bugs in here, but you can see this thing actually worked. This thing actually worked. I like the colors. I like the way it came out. Oh, beautiful. This is what it looks like on mobile. Look, this is what it's gonna look like. Start day one and bada bing, bada boom. All right, that's my time, y'all. if please like,